Well, tonight, new developments in the Commonwealth's battle over new congressional maps.
The Republican National Committee and National Republican Congressional Committee are suing Virginia Democrats. And just this afternoon, a judge granted a temporary restraining order. Layla Cox breaks down all the details for us. Layla.
That's right. The filing by the RNC and NRCC comes less than a week after the Supreme Court of Virginia ruled that an April 21st referendum on the proposed redistricting amendment can move forward. The amendment would pave the way for a new proposed congressional map unveiled by Virginia Democrats that could give their party a 10 of Virginia's 11 House seats. Republicans are calling it unconstitutional, while Democrats say it's bringing fairness to the state.
A major political redistricting showdown is unfolding in Virginia.
It's frustrating. It's un-American. It's not Virginian.
Now, with a national lens, two Republican groups filed a lawsuit in Tazewell County Circuit Court to stop Virginian Democrats' redistricting process. Political analyst Dr. Eric Clavel says the Supreme Court's approval of similar actions in Texas and California has set a precedent.
Keep in mind that this effort to redraw maps mid-cycle is because of, at the behest of our president, asking Texas to redraw their maps in order to give Republicans an advantage in seats in order to keep the majority. It was a clear advantage that they wanted in Texas, and the Supreme Court rubber stamped it.
But Republicans do not agree. Representative Ben Cline and other Republicans are calling out Democrats for what they consider to be an illegal process to advance redrawings.
To crack open these districts, I mean, the 6th district, the Shenandoah Valley, was divided 5 different ways. And rural voices are being silenced.
Virginia GOP lawmakers argue House Bill 1384, which allows the April special election, violates the Virginia Constitution. It states amendments are to be approved and submitted to voters no sooner than 90 days after final passage.
It's a special election held in the middle of spring when people are not used to voting, but we need each and every person out there, and I need them to be paying attention.
The complaint filed by Republicans alleges the ballot language used in the referendum falsely claims the amendment would, quote, restore fairness. Republicans say fairness does not equate to maps that, quote, unduly favor Democrats.
Is not language that is neutral and it therefore violates the law and the Constitution.
Now, Congressman Cline tells 13 News Now the Tazewell Circuit Court ruled in favor of the Republicans that the entire redistricting process for the Commonwealth is against the statutes of Virginia and ordered the State Board of Elections to stop planning for the referendum. Cline says he has high hopes the Supreme Court won't push the appeal till after the April 21st referendum date. Layla Cox, 13 News Now.
All right. Thanks so much, Layla. And just in, Virginia Attorney General Jay Jones says his office will immediately appeal today's ruling in Tazewell County.